Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility. Make sure the smart switch supports 4 GHz Wi-Fi and matches the load type you have. Once done, cut power at the breaker and verify circuits are dead with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Now remove the old switch plate and loosen terminal screws. As you work, keep screws and small parts organized. Make sure to photograph wiring before disconnecting. This saves time later, and have the new switch and its manual within reach to follow wiring diagrams precisely. With power off, locate and label the line hot, neutral, load, and ground wires. Follow the switch's labeling. Strip 1/2 of insulation, twist wires, and secure with wire nuts. Make sure neutrals remain continuous if required. Tuck wires so they sit behind the switch. Avoid sharp bends that can weaken conductors. Mount the switch carefully to the electrical box so the face is flush. Once mounted and plate installed, turn the breaker back on to power the device and observe its startup LED behavior to confirm basic power. Now open the switch's app and begin the add device flow. You'll typically enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password. Follow prompts to put the switch into pairing or AP mode. Many require holding the button for several seconds. Once connected, name the device and assign it to a room, then test both the app control and the physical switch to verify operation. If pairing fails, retry AP mode, move the router closer, or temporarily disable 5 GHz or guest networks. These steps usually resolve common connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.